Hi everyone! So you are ready to go on your big backpacking adventure, but you want to pack light. I have a list of 10 must-have items that you need to pack, and I'll tell you more after this. Hey, I'm Maradi Megs, and it's great to see you. So let's get down to business. The first item I would pack are flip-flops, okay? They're easy to pack and handy to have, especially if you're traveling in a country that's hot or you need to wear something that's in the shower. Flip-flops are a must-have. Combination lock, an absolute must-have, okay? You have to be able to lock up your valuables at the hostel or even your own backpack. However, I don't recommend you use the lock and key lock, as it's really easy to lose the key. Hats, any kind, just to keep the sun out of your eyes is really great to have. Sunscreen with a good SPF for those who burn really well. Honestly, bring your own good supply because most likely you're not gonna have the SPF you want at the place you're gonna be going to travel to. Just be safe, bring sunscreen. Aloe, because sometimes you're gonna burn. Duct tape, because things happen. A flashlight or a headlamp, as you're gonna need it if you're gonna be traveling at night, if there isn't any street lamps or whatnot, or if you need to see at night through your dorm room, it's just really helpful to have. Hand sanitizer, an absolute must, okay? Because not every public washroom is going to have hand soap, okay? So just keep this along with you at all times. Kleenex, always keep Kleenex with you because not all the washrooms have toilet paper and whatnot, so just keep a good supply of Kleenex on you. First aid kit. Be prepared to bandage yourself up because you have no idea where you're gonna end up. For example, hiking to an obscure waterfall in the middle of nowhere, miles from the nearest village with your random friends you met at a hostel. And that's my list of 10 must-have items. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and remember to try something new. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!